See you later, quarter way in. Thank you for the rest. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the comfortable bed. It was an awesome stay, awesome place for a zero. So quarter way is 0.3 off of trail, so not too far, but I do have a little bit of a roadblock to get back to the trail. Like I said, just 0.3. I'm hiking 2,000 plus miles. I can walk 0.3 back to the trail. So just a quick little update on my shin. I do still have a little bit of pain, but it is not bad. The rest definitely helped. So plan today is to probably do 14 miles. I may do more, depending on how I feel. There's a really nice shelter, Chestnut Ridge, or Chestnut Knob shelter. I think it's a 4-wall shelter, it's a stone shelter. And Tina was telling me that it's got a beautiful view of the valley below, and the moon's gonna be full tonight. So that could be a really nice place to go. 14 is a little shorter than, really what I like, but it might be the smart play. So anyway, we will see, and I will update you when I get there. I'll give you a quick update on the haircut. Now that it's been washed out, I feel so much better. Beard's longer than my hair now. All right, getting back on trail. Let's go! So the big difference so far in Virginia has been the amount of pasture walking that we've had. I really enjoy the pasture walking. It's really kind of cool. It's I guess just a little diversion sort of from the woods. And it's cool to be able to kind of look back and see where you've come. So anyway, yeah, I really enjoyed it. This is a little switchback right here. So I'm actually going up this way. Trail goes that way. You know what we do. Let's go. So these are little steps to get up and over barbed wire. Been up and over a couple of these now on the trip, but I don't know if I've ever really showed them to you. But basically just kind of climb up and over and get up over the barbed wire that way. You can see there's a little farmhouse, not little, a nice old farmhouse right over there. And then I think I'm gonna have to cross this creek at some point because the bridge is out, but I don't know. We'll see when I get there. Stopped here at the Not Mall shelter for lunch. Had tuna wrap with some Cheetos. Had some pineapple. Had some yogurt covered raisins. And some Sour Patch Kids. It was a very healthy and nutritious lunch. But it was awesome. But what was really cool was right when I walked up, guy was sitting down here in the shelter, and it was X-Ray. Hadn't seen him since, I think, around like day 4 or 5. Anyway, super nice guy. He likes to hike alone, kind of camp alone, but he's been doing great. So it was really cool catching up with him. He was saying, it was weird because I'd been thinking about him the other day, just wondering if he was still out on the trail, and he said the same thing about me. So anyway, awesome catching up with him. Good dude. But the trail is going that way. Let's go. All right, so this bridge has been out for about 2 years now, and I guess it's just too expensive to replace. So this is gonna be my first actual creek ford. But we haven't had a ton of rain, and it doesn't look very deep. There's a line over here that you can hold on to. And Come Along told me it always makes sense to hold on to the line. So I'll probably go that route rather than try and cross right here on these stones. It looks pretty slow and smooth right there. So I'm gonna get my shoes off and get across. Some people call it art. Other people call it trash. I think it's just whatever. See you later, little fairy gnomes. So this is the view from up here at this shelter. And here's the shelter.
Good. How are you guys?